अरे बा एक डॅमांतल्यान उदक येता ओ खंयच्याय जे उदक लिफ्ट करतात देर वी रिक्वायर अ प्रॉपर पंपिंग सिस्टम. आनी ते म्हणे स्पीकर सर गव्हर्मेंटान म्हळां that they are committed to supply 24/7 water supply in the state of Goa.
We will get a proper consultant and an agency to do this mapping, because I don't think the PWD will be able to do the full mapping in a short time. So we can have a third party agency to carry out full analysis, and then it is tail end or those who are located on a elevated levels. Those are the people who do not get proper water. The rest, there is enough water.
How are you planning? Are you planning new dam? Are you planning new tanks or new water reservoirs? Or are you going to draw water? What is your plan for the future?
So we have put up OPA 27, Mysar 10. OPA 27 should be commissioned by December. This is mainly for Tiswadi. Mysar 10, which will be commissioned by September. Osnora 30, already tender floated. Chandel 15, Tuye 30, Porvori 15, Tankona 5, Gavne at Gavne, Sar 10, Padoshe 10, and Giri आता अजून ह्या फायनल जावन जागे खातीर 15. 167 MLD water is being done. As of now, Goa has adequate water. Leakages आमकां थारोवंक जाय. So pipelines will have to be changed, because in some areas AC pipelines, tail end pipelines are AC pipeline which breaks. So we will have to replace those pipelines stepwise.
ते जालें ना अजून. पूण कितें जाता सगळे गोंयभर जेन्ना 24/7 उदक दितलें जाल्यार ह्यो केप्यां जर करता आसतना हें JICAचें काम कंप्लीट करचें पडटलें.
JICAचें काम फुडल्या वर्सा भितर कंप्लीट जातलें. सादारण 85% काम 85% काम जाल्लें आहा. थोड्या भागांत ताचो उपयोगूय सुरू जाला. आतां फिनिशिंगचें हें चालू आसा. थोड्या जाग्यार कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जर ताणें काम एबंडन केलां जाल्यार ताका आमकां बदलचोच पडटलो. पण I expect by 2019 JICA work to get over. एक गजाल लक्षात धरा, उदकाक खर्चूय खूब येता. त्यामुळे एक पयलीं काही 15-20 युनिट सोडून the cost of water is almost about 10 to 12 rupees per cubic meter. We are hardly paying anything. हांगा कितें मातशे 8 आणे सुद्दां वाडयले जाल्यार बोवाळ सुरू. तोय तुमी त्याच वेळार थोडेशे तरी पयशे व्हडले ना 150 कोटी येता. Whereas we spend about 800-900 crores on water supply. So some recovery of water also will have to be done.